What's going on there, folks? Coming at you with a product review on this titanium, that's right, titanium keyring, quick release. You gotta love that, right? Now, why do I love that? Well, because on the quick release portion, I've got of course, the bottle opener, and then I've got the 7-Eleven rewards card, I've got the house key, and I've got the mail key. Now, when Coco Bella and I head over to 7-Eleven to maybe get a Slurpee or something like that, I can't leave Coco Bella in the car without the air conditioner running, right? Especially here in Las Vegas. So, quick release, and boom, I'm in 7-Eleven. No problem with my rewards card. Or I'm getting the mail out of the mailbox and stuff like that. So, very convenient, very convenient. And being that it's titanium, it should last quite a while, right? Cleaned up the old keyring there, got rid of a lot of garbage, and now I have a quick release for getting in the house, going to the mailbox, and hopping into 7-Eleven. Awesome.